Snoring sprays, chin straps, pillows, which one actually works? Sprays reduce noise by 20 to 30%. But they don't open your airway. Just make it quieter. Chin straps force your mouth closed. 40% reduction in mouth breathers. But 28% get jaw pain. Most quit after 3 months. Pillows that maintain cervical alignment keep your airway open. 30 to 50% reduction. 85% compliance. No side effects. The winner? Pillows. You're already sleeping on one, might as well use one that works. Link in bio for the one I use. Hashtag snoring, hashtag sleep apnea, hashtag chin strap, hashtag snoring spray, hashtag pillow, hashtag sleep tips, hashtag health tips, hashtag wellness, hashtag sleep better, hashtag breathing.